Michael Saylor is the co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, a business intelligence software company that has become one of the largest corporate holders of Bitcoin, the digital currency that has revolutionized the world of finance. Saylor is also a vocal advocate of AI and Lightning Network, a Layer 2 solution that enables fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. In this video, we will explore how, in Michael Saylor's opinion, these three technologies can work together to transform corporations in various domains, such as data analysis, automation, innovation, and security. Stay tuned.
Can't wait.
So, I'm sure you know about AI, but let me still explain. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine or a computer system to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, planning, and creativity. Not only that, AI can be applied to various domains to solve problems, optimize processes, and enhance user experience in a way more than any person can imagine. So, AI can collect, process, and analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as sensors, databases, and social media. AI can help discover patterns, trends, and insights from the data that can be used for decision-making, prediction, and innovation. For example, MicroStrategy uses AI to provide its customers with data-driven solutions that help them improve their performance and competitiveness. Also, AI can be used to automate repetitive or dangerous tasks for humans, such as manufacturing, accounting, and customer service, and can help increase efficiency, accuracy, and productivity while reducing costs and errors. What makes Michael more fascinated about AI is that AI can be used to tailor products or services to the preferences and needs of individual users or customers, such as recommendations and advertisements. AI can help increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, and retention while generating more revenue and value. For example, Netflix uses AI to personalize its content recommendations based on the viewing history and behavior of each user. Michael knows AI can transform corporations, but he also knows better that AI combined with Bitcoin can transform corporations beyond human understanding. Is this true? We will find out.
Tell me more.
Before we continue, this channel provides exclusive content on crypto innovations, experts' opinions on cryptocurrencies, and crypto predictions and analysis. So, if you are excited about these things, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.
Bitcoin is not just a digital currency. It is a radical revolution that challenges the status quo of the world. In fact, Bitcoin is a force of nature that defies the laws of economics and politics. But for Michael Saylor, Bitcoin is even more than that. He sees Bitcoin as the greatest invention in human history and the ultimate catalyst for corporate transformation. So, for Michael, Bitcoin can be used as a reserve asset by corporations that want to diversify their balance sheets and protect their value from inflation and currency devaluation. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins and a predictable issuance schedule, which makes it a scarce and deflationary asset. For example, MicroStrategy has invested more than $2 billion in Bitcoin since 2020 and holds more than 100,000 Bitcoins. The company believes that Bitcoin is a superior store of value than cash and that it will appreciate in value over time.
Since we started, our enterprise market value has gone from about $600 million to more than $6 billion. So we've 10x the enterprise value of the company. If we trace our performance back to August of 2020 when we adopted a Bitcoin strategy, Bitcoin's been the #1 performing asset of all the possible treasury assets. If you contrast it to the S&P index or NASDAQ or gold or silver or bonds, you couldn't have done better than to have selected Bitcoin. And MicroStrategy's stock has actually outperformed Bitcoin as of just a few days ago. So I think Bitcoin was up like 140%, and MicroStrategy is up a bit more than that.
Also, Bitcoin can be used as a hedge against inflation by corporations operating in countries with high inflation rates or unstable currencies. Since any government or central bank does not control Bitcoin, it is less affected by monetary policies and helps corporations reap investment gains in the long term.
I think the big milestones for other big public companies to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet will be FASB's adoption of fair value accounting, and we're expecting something definitive there toward the end of this year. That'll be big because that means when if you have 100 million in Bitcoin and it trades up 50%, then you'll book a $50 million investment gain. And if it trades down, you'll have investment loss. But it will simplify the accounting, clarify the accounting, and allow you to reap investment gains as well as investment losses. And so that'll be a big deal.
That's not all. Bitcoin can preserve the purchasing power of corporations and protect them from currency risk. For example, Mercado Libre, an e-commerce platform in Latin America, has bought over $7.8 million worth of Bitcoin and added it to its treasury as part of its inflation hedging strategy. Lastly, Michael sees Bitcoin as a source of innovation by corporations that want to leverage its underlying technology, the blockchain, to create new products or services or improve existing ones. So, Bitcoin is a great technology that can help corporations, but sometimes, the fees are too high. This is where the Lightning Network comes in. Stay tuned.
Okay.
So, Bitcoin Lightning Network is a second-layer protocol that operates on top of Bitcoin. So, what's more, fancy is that Lightning Network allows fast and cheap transactions between nodes by using off-chain channels that are not recorded on the blockchain. Lightning Network works by setting up payment channels between two parties, where only the first and last transactions are put on the Bitcoin blockchain. Any number of transactions between the first and last will happen off-chain, which means the Bitcoin protocol does not limit those transactions. Both parties must commit an amount of Bitcoin to start a payment channel. That Bitcoin is held and cannot be released as long as the payment channel remains open. The total amount of Bitcoin that can be transferred through this channel is the total amount of Bitcoin committed. Lightning Network was proposed as a solution to the scalability problem of Bitcoin, which has a limited transaction rate due to its distributed nature. So, Lightning Network can facilitate small payments that would otherwise be impractical or expensive on the Bitcoin blockchain, such as tipping and streaming. This is what Michael has to say about it.
I think that the Lightning Network represents an open, permissionless protocol for secure transactions worldwide. So, if you want to integrate the payment networks of 100,000 different companies in every country on Earth, and you want to allow them all to interoperate and move money at the speed of light and program the money and build intelligence in the transactions and in authentications, then you need some protocol that they all share. And of course, Lightning is that protocol. Right now, the way that might introduce some really compelling new enterprise applications. One enterprise application is enterprise rewards for your employees or for your customers or for your partners. So companies right now spend billions of dollars rewarding their employees. What if we could give people instant employee rewards for filling out surveys, being at the meeting, engaging in corporate systems, updating community notes, etc. All sorts of microtransactions. We've created with MicroStrategy Lightning the ability for you to plug a module into your enterprise and instantly generate a Lightning wallet for every one of your employees.
AI is booming. It is AI that made NVIDIA $1 trillion company. So, what do you think AI will do next in the crypto industry? You don't want to miss this. Check out our top 5 AI cryptos to buy for more insight.